right, y'all. It's morning. Good morning to you. So, guys, this is the first day. Day one of the cruise, I guess. I don't know if yesterday was day one.
Day two.
Today, day one. I don't know.
This day two.
Okay. We was half a day. We was half a day yesterday. So. And today is a sea day, guys. So we not going anywhere. We're gonna be stuck on the ship. Yeah, we was on the ship yesterday, but that's obvious because they gotta get rolling. So guys, we're gonna try to find some fun things to do today. We're gonna see what we can do actually today on a sea day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Let me eat my breakfast. You want some? Let me give you some. Here you go. Our split personality. So you already know what's up with this channel. Personalities. So let's get to it. Alright guys, let's see what's going on around here.
Well done. I have to say, you brought your own bowl and everything. Well done. All right. Let's see. Sorry, no. Tell me, darling. A 10. Very good. A 10 and a? 8. An 8. 10 and 8 for a total of 20. Very good. All right. How many more? Okay, that's all of our contestants. So, I'm going to invite all of our contestants to come on back. We're going to line up shoulder to shoulder right there. Shoulder to shoulder right there. Very good. If you want to get burned, I would suggest so. Yes. Very good. So go ahead, line up shoulder to shoulder where you're only standing. Next to each other, thank you very much. Yes. Facing the screen, shoulder to shoulder. Thank you very much. There we go. Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Cameron, yes, very good. All right. Here we go. Very good. So, Yoli, you are going to tell us the top 4, well, not the top 4 scores, but the names of the people with the top 4 scores, if that makes sense. Just the names. So tell us, who is making it to the next round?
So, we have Sabrina making it to the next round.
Very good, well done, Sabrina, well done.
We have Trouble making it to the next.
What's it? All right, and how does the snake sound? Give it up for Trouble, everybody! I love how she said the magnificent swan. All right, Ayana, get ready. Here we go. Oh, it's a swan raised by chickens. Very good. Come on, girl. Ah, yes, very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Keep it going. Yeah, all right. And how does our swan sound? Give it up for Ayana, everybody. Well done. All right. Come on, girl. All right, very good. Sabrina is becoming one of my favorite animals on this competition, to be honest. Sabrina, from now on, wait, take center, girl. Take center, take center. Very good. All right, Sabrina, from now on is a beautiful elephant. All right, Sabrina, take it away, elephant. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now you need to tell us, how does an elephant sound? Very good, very good. That's definitely a Jamaican elephant. Very nice. All right, very good. Let me see, darling.
You guys.
It is.
Oh, she's getting ready. She's getting ready. All right. Up next, make some noise for the elephant. Let's go.
Standing in my way. Standing in my way.
Come on, come on. Here we go. All right, are you ready? She ready, very good. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go.
We always do it nice. Rough. We're gonna take the beginning of the song and do it easy. But then we're gonna do the finish. Rough. Say we do proud Mary.
Come on. So I cannot see, but I'm trusting you. All right, very good. Here we go. My round of applause. Tell me, would it be contestant number 1? Make some noise. Or would it be contestant number 2? Make some noise. Okay, very good. You can turn around. The judges and the audience have reached an agreement. And the winner of the Legend of Lido is going to be...
No matter what. I can never give it up.
Okay.
And they say that, and they say that, and they say that.
All right. Congratulations. You're walking away with a ship on the steam and a bottle of house champagne as well. Very good. And trouble.
Deck 3.
Well, this shit wide open meadow. How fast you moving?
They're gonna break that iPad. What up, there, neighbor?
Y'all all right?
Tell
You all right?
YouTube something. They don't know, you know. They don't know.
Polk County, 863, paralyzed. So fucked up, we ain't open the eye. That's it.
My boy. Yo, I'm gonna see y'all. Oh, yes, sir.
My water shoes can go in there.
If you are unable to see Ralph right here, you can follow them. I might try my very best to let you know exactly what he's doing. Alright, so firstly, we gotta place your towel on a flat surface. Either it's the floor or it's one of the beach chairs. Alright? Now you wanna place it longwards, which means the small tip facing you and the longer end on the opposite side. The small towels? Yes. Alright, so what you are gonna do with your towel, fold it in half. The long ends in half. Long ends in half. Long ends in half. Lovely, like a bar. Long ends in half. Alright, then when you've done this, you take your index finger, put it in the center. Put it in the center of the towel to the top, and you take one end and you pull it down in a triangular shape. One end. Alright, remember you put your index finger in the center, you take one end of the towel, your index finger go in the closed part of the towel to the top, not the open, the closed. The closed, that's inwards, outwards is the opposite. Yeah, the peak of the triangle should be facing outwards, which means if you are facing me, it should be facing me right now. So what you are going to do right now, after you fold the peak inwards, you are going to roll both sides inwards. Roll both sides inwards. Yes, yes. Okay?
Can I see it?
Okay. All right, so your tower should be looking like a dog. It looks like a dog. I just said a dog. An elephant have a trunk. All right.
Guys, I am so late recording, right? So it's been a little chaotic, but anyway, we're at dining. We went to sleep, took a nap, so now we're up from our nap, and we're in the dining room. We're in what dining is this?
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Sunshine restaurant.
Sunshine. So here we are. James, you want to talk to him?
Well, guys, it's totally different
From Royal.
from Royal. The other ship we have sail on, we stand on front of the ship, but they put us all the way at the back of the ship to have dinner, which makes no kind of sense. So it's very confusing how they operate. So hopefully the rest of the cruise ship, they will put us
Cruise
back.
time. Rest of the
Rest of
cruise.
the cruise time, we'll be back
Yeah.
on the side where we are in our cabin. It's very confusing.
Yeah, there. So I mean that's understandable because every cruise line they do different. I mean, you know. But anyway, we here at dinner and we're about to eat. Here's the bread. You our server? You gonna be our server?
Hi, my name is Lovey, and I'm from the Philippines.
I love that name. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I love that name, Lovey.
And this is my partner, Arnold.
And that's your partner?
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Linnell.
Arnold.
Arnell. Arnold. Okay. Oh. So guys, it's always good to know your servers because at the end of this cruise, you got to do a review. Yes, you need to do your review. So, you need to know names. What's inside? Something inside. What is it, like blueberries or
Blueberry.
something?
You like blueberry bread.
Let me see it. Okay.
Tastes pretty good. My son don't have. We'll have changed that.
You had Jamar here?
I needed Jamar. Yeah, I would have had Jamar. See, Jamar could have handled her, and then I would handle y'all.
No, I know Jamar is a mama's boy. No way.
Yes, you're right.
The mama gonna
Yep.
be like, let me check her out.
Yeah.
Yep.
You're right. He's a mama boy.
Yep.
You know you must.
Still would have been singled out.
Exactly. He'd have been like, Dad, I'm gonna stay with Mom, Dad.
No, he gonna go with me.
He'd have been know what he would have said. I'm out.
I need some manpower.
Exactly. I'm out, Mom. I'm out. I'm out.
Y'all just, well, y'all is serious.
So you also needed a glass with some ice though.
He did. He brought it.
Okay, honey. So can you tell everybody what you ordered tonight?
Oh, I for starters, I got a Caesar salad.
Yep.
And then I got the salmon. Then I got a fruit salad.
Okay.
So what did you order?
Are you a blogger?
Yes, ma'am. So I got this crusted salmon.
Yeah, we do.
And I told them also to do me the grilled chicken.
Yeah,
So
we're
that's
YouTubers.
two main.
Split personality.
And then I have the molten chocolate for my dessert.
Yeah, SPLIT.
And my starter, I don't know what I ordered.
We got
I don't know.
got two different
Salad, maybe, I don't know.
That's why we created that. Okay. But you go through this cruise ship, No matter how late you are, they can never.
All right, guys. So I got my starter, and this bread, guys, is so
That's it.
good. It's really
The
good.
private people. That's it.
I'll be back.
The private people get you
When
mixed
my
up.
meal come out, yes, you can.
You can start your stuff out too.
Hey, I'm trying the crawfish pasta. 10 out of 10. My name's Samaya, and y'all should subscribe.
Now tell us, shout out your channel.
Start your stuff out your
I don't
channel.
have a channel yet.
You got Instagram.
I have Instagram. You guys can follow me at Your Fake French Girl. It's
Say it one more time.
Your Fake French Girl.
Okay. You gonna see yourself too. TikTok and TikTok.
TikTok
Wait,
is
she has TikTok too, guys.
You got so many challenges.
okay, it's Your Fake Cali Girl.
Okay, guys, y'all see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Okay, Mar official, you better get on
remember,
that.
always book y'all excursion through the cruise ship.
That's nice. Now we know now.
All right, guys, so we are done with dinner, and all the food, it was so good, guys. We had the crusted salmon, and we had the, what was that? What type of pasta was that?
We had a
Crab.
we had a crab salad.
Crab.
A crab pasta.
Crab pasta.
That's what it was.
That was so good. Look, do you think we'll blend? You think we'll blend in with this background, with the diamonds? So we about to do a photo, guys. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So the hubby and I, we get ready to go to Punchline at 10 o'clock, and we about to see a comedy show at the Punchline. You not in the video.
Yeah. Let's see what the punchline is about.
All right, guys, come on. Yeah. Somebody he looking for a Sprite. You gotta pay for a Sprite. They ain't giving it to you free.
Something he can't find. You ain't looking for a hard enough. He want it free.
Hold that for me. Red Frog. Is this it? Piano bar?
That's it.
Well, we went and sat down at that other place.
I got me.
It was a hard day today, huh? Alright. This show is adult only, as you know. Please, if you are easily offended, it's not gonna be the show for you, right? And yeah, if you'd like to go, the door is open and somebody else can come and watch this show. Sorry about that. I'm going to be that serious. Alright, and please no video, audio recording or photography during the show. And please keep the table talk to the minimum and the laughter go to the maximum. Are you alright for that? Are you ready? Here we go. This performance has been on that comedy channel, Alumni, with Martin Lawrence. Also, you can see him in the new Batman movie. Please make some noise and welcome to the stage, Steve. There you go, my friend. Drew Fraser. That's the big round of applause, everybody. Come on now. He done learned the merengue, the cha-cha, the salsa, everything but English. Give it to him, y'all. Give it to him. Once he learns the comedians, he'll be all right. We love you, Lester fans. How's everybody's day today? Everybody had a good day today? Let's try it one more time. Everybody have a good day today? Yeah. All right, I'll speak to the white people right quick. White people want you to know that a lot of us black people on this cruise ship, we just as scared as you are, okay? Shit, we don't know this many black people either, goddammit. Shit, we nervous little motherfuckers. So. White people, I don't know where y'all going tonight, but take me with you, goddammit. Take me with you, goddammit. Yeah. See white people all over the ship during the day, but as soon as the sun go down, y'all disappear, goddammit. Y'all go to your rooms and lock the door like you're in a gated community. Don't see no white kids around at night, boy. You see all the white little kids running around during the day. And parents can grab all them white kids up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. It's time to go. It's getting late. Say goodbye to all your black friends you've been in the hot tub early today. Bye, Echinacea. Bye, Patricia. Bye, Jaqueline. Bye.
Comedy show is over. And grandmama is going to bed, baby. I am going to bed. Shit. I'm tired. That's all I do.
Yeah, we got to be up in the morning.
Yeah.
We got it's true.
No club for me, baby. My club gonna be in the bed. Just like at home, baby. Betty bye.
I mean, Emma, like.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You don't wanna go?
Let's go back down to 5.
Okay, guys. So you don't want to. Guys, we are in the casino.
J is beside me. Let's roll. Let's see if we can make it all the way to the top. 3 more 5 balls. We'll go to the next level.
Come on, do it.
Come on, stop being so stingy. Boy, that is so stingy.